And we're back. What's happening, y'all? It's your boy AJ. I'm back again with another banger. Today, guys, if you guys are new, don't forget to hit the red subscription button and the bell so notified when I drop more content. And welcome to the channel. Today, guys, real simple update on the Gen. I'm going to be going, actually, recently, I had my bumper refinished, so the bumper looks good. At some point in this video, I'll probably insert a clip just showing you guys the bumper. I also had the diffuser stuck on as well, so the diffuser and the bumper combo just looks great on the car. And really, the real reason why I wanted to make this video today, guys, is because I'm going to be heading down to my buddy Omar's shop because I had my spoiler painted basically to, color match the car. So going to be driving down to San Jose, which is probably like an hour away. Head down to his shop, check out, the paint job on the spoiler, pick it up, see if there's anything that needs to be tweaked. And then, yeah, I'll probably have to go by my buddy John's house because I'm going to need his help to actually install the spoiler. So it's going to be a busy day, guys. But I'm at least just filming part of this, guys, so I can give you guys an update. Ideally, you guys will see in this video clip, what the bumper looks like. I need to clean the car off. Car's dirty. But as I said, I'll show you with the bumper diffuser. And then once I get down to his shop, what that spoiler looks like. And then we'll wrap up the video and I'll clean the car up. Ideally, give you guys a full walk around of the car when it's fully clean and fully complete. But that's enough talking, guys. Let's get to walking / driving. And I'll catch you guys when I get down to the shop. All right? Adios. All right. Quick fill up right now before we head down for our 50-mile trip. These pumps, man, they really do kill me. But anyways, we'll finish filling this up and then we'll be on our way down to San Jose. Let's go.
2 hours later.
All right. Let's go. Let's see it. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Thank you. Looks good, man.
Looks clean.
Yeah, it looks clean.
Yeah, put sealer,
Oof. Let's
primer,
go.
paint, clear, so it's good enough.
My man. Thank you, man. Appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. There it is. All right, guys. So that was a success. Just got my spoiler. As you can see right there, it's showing right there. I wish I had the box so I could put it back in the box, but I think she'll be safe for the ride home. He also gave me just the rest of the paint too, which is pretty nice. So if I need to do any touch-ups in the car, I can easily do that. All right, ladies and gents, we are back. Spoiler is absolutely beautiful. We just got back home, an hour-long drive, plus actually, probably like an hour 15. But spoiler looks absolutely amazing, guys. Paint match to the car. So what I'm going to do next is in a couple days, I'm going to go ahead and take this Sikaflex 221. Similar to the stuff BMW uses to stick all their spoilers down. We'll take that 221, and my buddy John ideally will help me make sure that this is test fitted. We get the right test fit on, and then we'll throw the glue on and make sure the glue's gray, just as fully sealed. And yeah, the spoiler should be just like it was fitted on the last car. I think the spoiler, as I said, is the best part of the car. Honestly, it makes the car, it fills out the body shape. It's got a big body on the car, so I feel like this spoiler is just perfect because it just gives it that smooth, tail end, right? To even out that long body. And the trunk is kind of weird too. Like the trunk is like an Infinity, like a G35 trunk. Like I don't even know. The G35 trunk is actually, yeah, that's the wrong trunk. It's similar to like a G37 or something like that. But even those trunks, I feel like they are shaped a little bit better. They even have like a kind of a built-in spoiler. But our trunk is kind of boxy. It's got like a weird, like boxy, like also it has a weird strip on the back of it too, where you stick this spoiler on, which is why I'm happy that this will be replacing that little strip because I just don't think it looks that good. So yeah, I'm excited to get this on. I think this spoiler, as I said, is just going to be, absolutely completing the perfection of the look of the car. And I'll get back to you guys when I get the spoiler test fitted on in a couple days, and I'll just show you what that looks like. The spoiler is about to go on. We just got some alcohol on the top of the surface. Then we're going to go ahead and fit this spoiler on here like we did the black car. And Yeah, stick our Sika 221 on there. Got some frog tape. Everything you pretty much need. As I said, some alcohol. So yeah, get back with you guys when we've got this kind of mocked up, lined up, and ready to seal. All right, guys, so we've got the spoiler fully on now, fully fitted. Secret Flex is drying, so we'll give it a good 24 hours for it to fully solidify, and yeah, should be good. But spoiler looks good. It's like the last car. Again, it's paint matched to the car. I think it makes the car's body really, really stand out. So I'm just excited. Thank you to my buddy John for helping me. And yeah, she looks pretty good. Probably need to get some new wheels, but she's looking good. And yeah, we're pretty much back, guys. So I'm gonna let my car sit here for another day, but I'm excited about the spoiler because I think the spoiler is the best looking part of the car, honestly. It brings the entire rear end of the car out. It just looks good. I think it just balances out the body line and gives it a nice curve at the end. Nice little scoop, all right? Nice little junk in the trunk, so let's go. We also got the car pretty much all cleaned up, buffed up. I need some new wheels, but these ones will do for now. But yeah, car looks pretty good, guys. I'll be back tomorrow to pick it up after I let it sit for a while. But if you guys like Genesis content, Miata content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It's free. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Hit the big red bell so you're notified when I drop more content. And I'll catch you guys in the next video, guys. Deuces.